Welcome, it's Denson Doodle, and today we're going to be going to Fort McKenzie, Great Wolf Lodge, Wisconsin Dells.
My favorite way to start any water park day is to jump right in and get soaked out of the gate. This water climber takes up this entire wing besides the Howlin' Tornado, which we also have a video for, which you can click right above us, which is the most intense water slide at Great Wolf. But this climber is insane. It's huge. There is water from every angle, and there are some awesome body slides built in, which we're going to take you through in a second. We're going up to multiple levels to give you an overhead shot. Let us know if you've ever been to Great Wolf Lodge and which one in the comments below. Or if you like water climbers, and where's your favorite location to use your favorite water climber?
So here's me going down, and I think that the red and blue slide are my favorite slides, honestly, in the park.
Once you exit the slides, there is waterfalls, water spouts, water cannons, water everything. It comes from the ground, it comes from above, it comes from multiple stories above. So you definitely will get soaked in this awesome water climb. There are multiple entry and exit points all along the climber, which is really awesome and unique. But everything constantly leads to more water attractions, but also goes up. And when you get to the top, the great news is there's always a slide waiting for you to get down quickly. Everyone knows when you hear the dinging, that means the massive water bucket's about to drop. So be careful where you are, or make a run so you can get that heavy splash.
Now here's Dad going down the blue slide.
This is a real-time POV, and as you can tell, these body slides fly. They were absolutely awesome. Now, while I continue to soak sun from 3 levels up, be sure to look down and check it out. Check out the playlist that's going to pop up here if you want to see more water park and amusement park fun. Check out the Dells playlist on our channel to see more from the water park capital of the world. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. And also check out our other channels, including Dad and Son Cook and Eat It All, if you want to know where the best places are to eat in the Dells. Take care, all our best.